Welcome to DongQing. With over 20 years of industry experience, we are a professional catering equipment supplier, providing high-quality food processing equipment and services to wholesalers, distributors, retailers, small shops, restaurants, and hotels around the world. DongQing boasts a 15,000 square meter modern production base, 50 advanced production lines, sophisticated equipment, and a dedicated staff of 100 professionals, ensuring that every product meets international standards. With over 20 years of industry experience and 56 industry awards to our name, we prioritize quality and strive to provide every customer with the most reliable products. Today, we're showcasing our star product, the SH30 Professional Dough Mixer. It features a stainless steel drum and a high-strength synchronous belt drive system, ensuring efficient and stable mixing. SH30 is equipped with a dual-speed design, which can mix at a low speed, increase the extensibility of the dough, and save production costs. It is widely used in hotels, restaurants, bakeries, and other industries. The SH30 is designed with operational safety and convenience in mind. A safety net and seatbelt cover protect the operator, while easy-to-use front panel controls make it simple to use. Whether it is high-strength dough or light bread dough, SH30 can provide the ultimate mixing effect to meet the needs of various industries. Each SH30 dough mixer undergoes rigorous quality inspection to ensure every detail is flawless before entering the packaging stage. We use environmentally friendly and sturdy packaging materials to ensure that the equipment is not damaged during transportation. Each product passes through layers of inspection to ensure perfect delivery to customers. From the factory to the customer's hands, we provide fast and reliable logistics services to ensure that every SH30 dough mixer is delivered on time and safely. Choosing DongQing not only means you are choosing high-quality equipment, but also a reliable business partner. We will do our best to provide you with the most considerate service and support. DongQing, your reliable business solution. Contact us to start a new chapter of cooperation.